Abusia oyene kese abo for wiase nyina ama sisiam no kese de on the world market. Fuel prices are started cost ama aka oman konkon Ghana. Yes, you fuel bo ye fan won sensem no ne bo ebe cost. Anyame adom a on the 16th of June 2025 a Monday edian mi ya no fuel prices ebe cost. Now in this video met me wase ma chirech ama hwe adeko de ebe kwa na esi ya on the world market fuel price cost. Nyame adom Monday 16th June Ghana hanom no fuel bo ebe kwa kuduru sei. Now first dollar ever from the code Micky any other Ghanaians ATM said the dollar ever from. Now so I said it is not reflecting on the market. It is not reflecting in our pocket. I have Penyah block media. That's why I say any video. Over like a video, no other room, over subscribe button, click the notification icon for latest updates. Now better why you and the mama ever comment section. So that's why. No I video more for so any be asher. What is Israel? Any guys and to corner we say Adaho, Adana Bola Suja, I say oh ana aso, oh ana edum, oh ana so ama Israel any Palestine that's Gaza enya ye no. Other Islamic countries be nan ebe mu ema we say ko be support Gaza enuma fight Israel but omo nyina no be me bia hire ni omo fi amre era say omo ntimi Israel ema Iran as a agent okwa no ejina mu teme na we say Iran ebe agent okwa no free Palestine some in Israel aircon. Israel has been waging serious war on Iran. Ema bia we na Iran force retaliate na busia enra ana Kofi Antwata Israel for strike Iran almost strike you know. Baby Brent crude oil factory we company one is a Brent crude. I don't know check we are seeing now oil your supply we are seeing about 70% in free Brent crude oil a hona a free ba the fuel near the dinner about 70% a hona a free Israel strike Iran no ebusia aka that company no aka factory no their rate of output anyway be an falling below, falling down. It means on the world market, no, fuel prices are starting to go up. Now, any buy no. Answer Ghana you a cobia omuna environmental and energy and same what I say you from CMSE. It will see and almost they communicate a buy. I won't be doing come after Ghana send here. And now I'm going to ask Ghana for young men in fuel price ever cost say and overkind. I am reading from Ghana Web. The Executive Director of the Center for Environmental Management and Sustainable Energy, CMSE, Ben Insia has projected short-term stability in fuel price in Ghana, warning, however, of a potential increase starting in July 2025. According to Insia, while fuel prices are expected to remain stable and even decline slightly in mid-June, the relief will be temporary. Market progression indicates that diesel price could rise by over 6%, beginning with the first pricing window of July 2025. The anticipated surge is attributed to rising global oil prices and escalating tension in the Middle East, which could impact export prices from late June through August 2025. Commenting on a 12% surge in global oil prices, Insia warned that escalating tension in the Middle East could drive export prices even higher in the coming weeks, which would directly impact local bond prices. But I say, let's say a world economic marketer, oil prices are increasing by 12%. By 12%, it's almost to the Ghana there. Like I said, in the next week, in few weeks to come, no, yes, so you be who a bit something. Why I same way say, but in Sia or that on the training Emma Center for Environmental Management and Sustainable Energy. Na omu we no ana Comac also ever issue another statement. Comac ya omu edin Chamber of Oil Marketing Companies. Comac almost so every statement about omu chire mu say and now maintain one basa across our Middle East Iran a one Brent crude oil company will almost supply world with about 70% of the crude oil. Ebe we say omu supply no and now basa across world community no. Nyame adoma Ghana on the 16th June 2025, that is Monday upwards now. Petrol price likely to go up by 9.15%. Year 2 petrol by 9.15%. Diesel ebe increase by 8.28%. LPG, that is liquid petroleum gas, will face a decrease. For liquid petroleum gas, there will be a decrease. That is a decrease of 2.29%. That is on Monday. It's Monday, free air corner. Petrol will be increased by 9.15%. Diesel will be increased by 8.28%. Then liquid petroleum gas will be decreased by 2.29%. Over current price, let's say all the increment na ebe balance ya. Let's say na every Monday 16 June no, price of fuel any ade no ebesi akọ. Yefa petroleum petrol, that's a petrol. Current price is 12.38. It is 12.38. That's a Monday 16 June. It will see an increment of what? 9.15. It is projected petrol price up to 13.51. And together with the doom solid one series, petrol equal 14.51. Diesel, as it stands now, diesel at 12.88. And to see an increment of 8.28 on Monday, diesel equal that 13.95. With the addition of the doom solid one series, diesel equal that 14.95. And a liquid petroleum gas, as it stands now, at 10 cedis. It intends that Monday it will see a decrement of what? 2.29%. With a decrement of 2.29%, LPG will decrease to 9 cedis 77 pesos. Free Nyami Aduma, Monday 16th June 25 econo. This is going to be the current prices of our fuels in the petrol, diesel, but liquid petroleum gas. Now, we want a dollar air from I say, baby, I need you, but we want to know dollar air from no. It is not reflecting and reflecting on the market. I can tell you, dollar has seen a greatest depreciation, but it is not reflecting on the market the same way it is not reflecting in our pocket. Now, on this issue, code Micky, I will show concern on that.
Code Micky TV ni dollar na so at 10 me kire Cedi na appreciate against the dollar no. Bibi cost was ade no amenti ase. Aban na ye na afamu de amasika no so at ade na ne number 60 something. This is about 10. En so koto ade okruma ma me fo na yiri ade ni mu ade. Obuso omo se die nti na ebo no so nte ya omo se ba bia e kofa ne ma no mo nte so ho. Ena kura de ade ma me ye video we ena ye kwa koto ne ma bi. Am ka tin pan se sika no so tete mo prices na e kosoro omo se ba bia omo kofa ne ma no kokoro omo tumi chew se eyi na shorte. With the intention say omo hore ne ma na gudem na sika na san kosoro. President so aba abontia be kase sika no just say be ya business na system no be stable enti president abekire say sika na e be da 10-11 wa 10-11 wa ama for about a week ni wa na da enti mindset be no yet to niam mu dia ukoduru ho da na mutumi increase ade no na ade na so atete de mo mpesa mo bette so enti ama system no we Ghana for mo wa abokire e be related to video ya make ba because be affairs no o sene $100 nipa ni koyi a onya be 1600 plus say $100 nipa ni koyi a onya 1000 cedis the 1000 cedis no nipa ni expect say any so send this kind more because at the end na $100 ni to Ghana ha no say dollar no so atinte so send $1 more or send more ba ni ekoto so prices na e Ghana no ni ma ne so nte enti logic ben no ena mo so amomo ton ade na amoko fa ne ma no mo ko fa ne ma na mo the dollar na e kwa fa nti definitely dollar no so atete nti e say automatically no mo system no mo so atete e go part time say be since we dollar no sika no start say 1 month aba nti 1 month no bia ni ho ade ne ma tumi asama na ko fa foforo aba na on the other bad ya no be so twasi market ni chi e ton prices na system ni wo sa ade na ye di ho bone sa adan ye tena oman mu die ho bone sa e sori ese amammo ni mo ayedene e mo ayedene obi ababa metete sika no so amaye ti wo no be ye afomu die ama system no aba be even ni nyina benefit ye no o die no de wo te so na ye wo ya adan ye te sa adan na Ghana no ye te sa te so kwa obi e ma na explanation ena ye niema no enyansa ye nti enyanya ye enso na bia be ko nipa gina ho to niema no nipa gina ho to niema ko to iron rods niema they say omo challenge omo nya iron rods ni be kura nto because yes no omo go de ade na gudema omo peso the mindset ben no ese aban no ba bia adwo me force system no a regulate system no be ate na niema so cars say dollar no cost rupe car na e bia be ton be 100,000 150,000 it means you to 200 and something thousand sika no so atete still look obusa cars boa baby e gina na gina enti na ya de ben no oman no dia o man penny bet my yan why no ba ka me no na e wo mu na because dollar no obi be ka say en reflect say den uyi dollar na kwa sika na kwa say dollar ni say ya sa na e be ma en e exchange rate no ti adenti na wo ho na na say o se sika na kwa to ade no outside o exchange rate ni different. I don't know. A bro margin in Mentias, a bro margin in Mentias. Week way on, maybe rural market in this animal interview, mammy, for no. Abu some the reason why I'm one person better to your money, man. Baby, I'm going to man who go there. Your banamon person over Casa, they come and they child about the trouble on Tessa. I buy no more what it is we but force the system. And don't know the judge time here, you know, you calabuli level here, you know, more force system. So, baby, I don't, they should force the people because Ghana in idea. Ghana need a chance or person within the on one corner no squeeze ya then make some unnecessary profit be was up on our or person will squeeze make you unnecessary profit be ever casting na guess by this time the casting na so a bonus to make it 10 nipa ho hand because I didn't let the 16 something. Oh, the nim economics name nim way. I need the 16 something. The means now cost a son. Also could $100 what was a $1,600 something. I don't know about 1,000 and about say about 10 something. It's all cost a son 1,006. Or the kind of insurance about we left the 1,106. And it means you did the same logic I didn't cover 1,600. And says to me teba. To me teba 1,100. I cost run at 1,100. Tidiabe no. Diabe no nipa you see sometimes I say ye man penny for ni you know ye suban so dey wo mine money enye. Ye suban dey wo mine money enye. We oni broni e dele a. Broni no on fa ho say decision na wo take no e be benefit woni no. So when a big a lasting problem ama mine na obet ma catch us I didn't know ye na o mo ntwe. On found so on and one be twadi was you. Or when I did some bigger problem be brain nation in na on twem obet ma kwa report okura. Ba nya my way mu. Nya my way mu says obi wa wo ton cars ni bi nya yi o. Chale enya quickly no ye nya ne mpe profit ni mu na ho. How long will you live on earth my brother? How long obet na asase so? Ut me ko akobusa ade anopa 9 o'clock obekọ duro anyumre 4 o'clock o me say atoto ne emam eno de mut me to tum na common logic crash will tell you say okay o na o say o niema na egu dem no onya nton nwie di enti na won ton no price na o market na won fa sika foforo no enkonkoto new one no ada exchange rate ne ma e ka ben na bebo ba Ghana ni no ono won penisa on penisa say ni nua ho be han de not this country my phone no kwa no mama reason and e bi ama system no cry yes some way because o dwene ho a won ti ase ya tete ade so nam kroma it doesn't reflect anywhere exchange rate apart from so unama it doesn't reflect in anything na e de be no fuel ya teso ho got to fuel say swat wo exchange rate swat wo port wo say ma te say ni na dollar ni mu enso omo a omo quote ni ma o dollars mu ni ye no sika no so tete ye no quickly omo a pace level be static quote o series mu ana say omo adjust prices no really dia o be pay medium be e dia set record no wo no kwama onze na omo tonton fi o ko online na omo quote bo ni in dollars omo nyina per strategy be a shift ya ba series mu ana so omo adjusting wo eye ni dia quickly omo adjusting wo I don't know cause any o twen be 3 months e bi na sika na san koso bi ba quickly wo no dia o pese o ye adjust it wo ya adwene ni sei no e be ye den ye so mpanimfo a na ya nya no wo man we no ye so mpanimfo a na nya no wo man ya adwene no diesel na e wo adwene no na dos no
Tira wa dwe ma me e wo comment section. Hi Penyah blog me.